Okay, students, welcome back. In the previous class, we studied about the weather, the elements of weather, that is rainfall, humidity, temperature, and wind. Then you studied about weather forecasting. What does a weather forecasting department does? Then we studied about climate, how to calculate the average maximum temperature of an area and how to calculate average minimum temperature of an area. Okay, what does climate means, how a climate is measured of a particular place, and then we studied about various factors that affect the climate of a particular state. Okay, that was distance from the equator, then the distance from the sea level, altitude from the sea level, then that was humidity and rainfall. All these factors combined, they affect the climate. Now in this class we'll study about different adaptations in different climatic regions. कैसे animals अपने आप को adapt करते हैं, किन features के साथ they adapt themselves in different climate. First of all, we'll study about adaptations in polar animals. Before I start with this, you must be very clear what does polar region means. Polar regions are the countries or the areas which are located around the north and south pole. North और south pole के आसपास जितनी countries हैं वो सब polar regions में हैं. North and south poles are very cold regions. वहाँ पे बहुत ठंडक रहती है. So the countries like Canada, Iceland, Norway, Alaska, Sweden, they all are polar countries. They are located in polar regions. Quickly let us understand climatic conditions क्या होती हैं polar regions में. They have a very harsh cold climate, not normal winters like we have. They have a very harsh cold climate where temperature mostly remains below 0 degrees Celsius and can go up to minus 37. You can understand the extreme of the temperature. Okay, 0 degree, water changes into ice at 0 degree. Okay, and their temperature constantly remains 0 degree, and at times it goes till minus 37 degrees Celsius. You can understand the harshness of the climate. Okay, there is a day for 6 months when the sun shines in the northern hemisphere, and then night for continuous 6 months when the sun is in southern hemisphere. Okay, so adaptations. What are the animals that live in these regions? Firstly, they are polar bears. Polar bears live in these regions. Wolves, Siberian crane, walrus, penguins. You will find all these animals in countries like Sweden, Alaska, Finland, Canada. Okay, so now you've understood polar regions. What is the temperature there, what is the climatic conditions there. Now how do these animals adapt themselves? First we'll study adaptation in polar bears. Polar, आप सबने देखा होगा white polar bear, क्या adaptation है उसके अंदर, what are the qualities that make it, that allows it to live in those regions. First of all, because of white color, polar bears are not detected by predators. Predators means those who kill polar bears. But polar bears are white and they remain in the region which is covered with snow. So their white color helps them to hide from their predators. Second, they have a thick fur. आप देखा, you must have seen, आपने देखा होगा कि पोलर बेयर्स में की जो स्किन होती है उसके ऊपर फर होते हैं वाइट कलर के. सो दिस थिक फर प्रिवेंट्स द लॉस ऑफ बॉडी हीट. जो भी हीट उनके अंदर है वो बॉडी में ही रहते. इट रिमेन्स इनसाइड द बॉडी एंड इट प्रिजर्व्स देम फ्रॉम द हार्श कोल्ड क्लाइमेट. देन अंडर देयर स्किन, उनकी स्किन के अंदर देयर इज अ थिक लेयर ऑफ फैट. फैट की बहुत मोटी लेयर होती है जिसको कहा जाता है ब्लबर. ब्लबर क्या करता है, इट इंसुलेट्स देयर बॉडी, हीट को आने जाने से रोकता है. ओके, फर्स्ट दे हैव अ वाइट कलर सो दे कैन हाइड देमसेल्व्स फ्रॉम द प्रेडेटर्स. सेकंड क्या है, व्हाट इज द सेकंड क्वालिटी, दे हैव अ थिक फर व्हिच प्रिवेंट्स द लॉस ऑफ हीट फ्रॉम द बॉडी. एंड थर्ड इज they have a thick layer of fat under their skin which gives insulation then they have large paws. They उनके जो claws होते हैं, paws होते हैं, they are very wide, बहुत बड़े होते हैं, large, okay, which helps them to walk in the snow, and then they also have the ability to close their nostrils. So in areas where there is lots and lots of water, they can go inside, stay there for long with their nostrils closed, okay. And also in winter season, when there is lots of cold, the temperature goes down to -10, -20 degree, then polar bears go into hibernation. Hibernation means in winter season they sleep for 6 months. They can stay without food, without water for 6 months, and they, how do they survive? Stored body fat, जो body के अंदर उनके फैट जो उन्होंने 6 months खाना खाया, whatever they had eaten, it stays there for 6 months, और उसी फैट पे वो next 6 months they live. And then again in the summer season when temperature is comparatively okay, then they return back and eat, okay. So this was adaptation in polar bears, okay. The next adaptation that you will study is adaptation in penguins. Now penguins, again they have thick layer of fat, similar they'll have similar adaptations, like they have a thick layer of fat under their skin, which protects them from extreme cold. They are good swimmers. Penguins are good swimmers. They have streamlined body which helps them to swim properly, okay students. So in the next video we'll study about adaptation in tropical rainforest and adaptation in desert animals, okay.